to get through before a couple rain and storm chances on the way with a severe risk that I'll talk about and time out for you hour by hour. Coming up next, we'll stay mostly sunny with, once again, maybe just a few passing clouds rolling in for the later half of the day, but not too bad, and temperatures staying nice and warm. This evening, we'll be back in the mid-60s by around 9 o'clock, low to mid-60s, with overnight lows tonight staying warmer, most in the low 50s, around 50 to 52 degrees, waking up tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, we'll be back in the low to mid 70s for highs. Once again, a decent amount of sunshine and staying dry to begin the week through about Wednesday. And Thursday, some rain and storm chances return, but I will say most of the day will be dry for now, with rain and storm chances looking to go up Thursday overnight and into the day on Friday. And 51% is pretty precise. But as we head into Friday, we'll see a few more scattered showers and storms, mostly in the morning, and then maybe some hanging around into the afternoon. That is going to be kind of lower confidence for that later half of the day Friday. Rain chances depending on where a cold front situates itself here in relation to the Ozarks. Then by Saturday, we'll look at maybe an isolated shower, but overall mostly dry during the day and temperatures staying around average for the week ahead. Now, we are sitting underneath this upper level ridge today through about Wednesday. Here it is right here. That's going to keep us pretty quiet. And you're looking at upper level energy indicated mostly by the reds, the yellows, and some blues. We'll be tracking this system back off the west coast today, moving into the mountains on Wednesday, and then by Thursday night into Friday, we'll have this wave of energy swinging through to bring us our next chance for some rain and storms, and then the potential for some of them to be severe Thursday overnight into Friday morning for now. So here's Thursday morning. Like I mentioned, we stay dry through much of the afternoon, maybe not until the evening hours, a couple of showers, maybe closer to I-49 north of I-44. And then overnight, rain chances going up, maybe even more so after midnight into early Friday morning. But these could pack a punch with a severe risk. We'll wake up to some scattered rain on Friday. And this model's one of the more aggressive ones, keeping rain into Friday afternoon and into the evening hours. I don't think it would be widespread, but we'll have to watch the potential for a few more storms for Friday. And then by Saturday, like I mentioned, trending on the drier side outside of maybe a couple showers here and there. Now, Thursday's severe threat is going to be a low threat right now, lining up mostly west of Highway 65. This low risk typically translates to about a level 2 site risk for severe storms. And then on Friday, that risk shifts mostly south of I-44 into far southern Missouri, northern Arkansas. We'll have to watch these closely. It's not a guarantee that we see severe storms Friday for now. I'd say that greatest threat looking to be Thursday overnight into early Friday morning, but it will be something that we watch out for over the next few days for you. Temperatures staying in this have not been too bad. Right now, our wind gusts are currently around 20-25 miles an hour. A little breezier back over in Kansas and Oklahoma today, but our winds will pick up at times heading into the middle to end of the week. Wind gusts tomorrow maybe around 30 miles an hour briefly, and then back up again on Thursday out ahead of a cold front that will be moving through overnight into Friday. Winds are from the southwest, pushing in the nice warmer air mass, and throughout the evening winds are pretty mild. Gusts tonight maybe around 20 miles an hour though, so a little bit more than what you might expect. And then tomorrow morning, winds pick up still from the southwest with gusts maybe around 30 miles an hour by the mid-morning, and then into the early afternoon where some of the strongest wind gusts, still not that strong, north of I-44, still maybe some gusts around 25 to 30 miles an hour, and then I'd say closer to 20-25 along and south of I-44. So you may notice though, with the spring wind picking up at times, and of course everything's starting to green up, you may be sneezing a little bit more often. Your allergy report shows tree count high today, 508, and the mold count also looking to be high as well. Weeds and grass are starting to come up back in the moderate category too. Sunshine. Satellite imagery right now really shows not a cloud in the sky across our area. It's been a nice warm afternoon, around to average, maybe just a couple degrees above, and some spots have warmed up just a bit in the last 30 minutes or so to our high for the day, 73 now here in Springfield, Lebanon and Camdenton, 75 in Branson, 76 in Mountain Home. We'll continue to stay quiet this evening, back in the 60s through around 10, 11 p.m. with overnight lows tonight, staying on the warmer side, waking up around 50 to 52 degrees, maybe a little bit cooler in our northwestern counties than this model here shows. But regardless, it's certainly above average waking up tomorrow morning, with temperatures tomorrow afternoon back in the low to mid 70s again. And over the next couple of days, we'll stay around average, which is now 70 degrees. Warming up a little bit more on Thursday. Storm chances increasing by Thursday overnight, and some severe storms possible that I'll talk about coming up soon.
All right, Danielle.
Afternoon, we are staying quiet heading into the evening. Some clouds off to our southwest, and overnight tonight will stay pretty clear. Tomorrow, looking at a lot of sunshine from the morning through the afternoon as well, and we'll stay dry for your Tuesday and through about the middle of the week. Temperatures this evening, if you want to head outside for a walk, not too bad, even still at 9 o'clock in the mid 60s, with overnight lows tonight in the low to maybe a few mid 50s tomorrow morning. I'd say most around 50 to about 52 degrees waking up. And then tomorrow afternoon, we'll be back in the low to mid 70s again, around to just a couple degrees above average for this time of year. Average high is now 70 degrees, and you notice we hover around normal all the way through your Saturday, with a couple more dry days to enjoy Tuesday, Wednesday, and then rain chances go up Thursday. Much of the afternoon Thursday right now looks dry until maybe the late afternoon and evening hours, with the best rain and even storm chance Thursday overnight into Friday morning. We'll see some scattered rain and thunderstorms on Friday. And then by Saturday, looking mostly dry with maybe a few scattered showers at times, but certainly not a washout of a weekend by any means. Here's what we're tracking for you. This is Tuesday morning. We have this area of low pressure off the west coast. This is our next kind of bigger system, and you watch it work its way slowly into the day. Wednesday back over towards the mountains, and we sit underneath this upper level ridge, keeping us pretty quiet through the middle of the week. Now this system pushes through a front at the surface, coming in with some upper level energy Thursday overnight and into the day on Friday. There is still some question about where that front sits on Friday, and that will certainly play a factor to our rain chances Friday and a potential severe threat. So there's still a little bit of uncertainty there. That is something we'll watch out for the next couple of days. This model may be one of the more aggressive models, keeping rain around on Friday. But here's a look Thursday first. Thursday afternoon, still mostly dry until maybe around 4 or 5 o'clock, with rain working its way on in closer to I-49 and north of I-44. By 10 p.m., some scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing into Friday early morning. This is 5 a.m. Some rain, some thunderstorms, and like I mentioned, this model keeps rain around into Friday afternoon and for the evening hours. I don't think it would be widespread though, and we'll continue to watch maybe a chance for some severe storms both Thursday and on Friday, with a drier Saturday afternoon, maybe even a few peaks of sunshine and a few isolated showers. Now Thursday's severe risk. We have a low risk, typically translates to about a level 2. Slight risk for severe storms highlighted there in yellow for some of our westernmost counties. And then on Friday, shifting south of I-44 for far southern Missouri, kind of close to Highway 60 and into northern Arkansas. So we'll have to watch those days closely. I don't think we'll see widespread severe storms though. Some much needed rain still. We are looking good for the month of April so far.
Yeah.
But we could use some more rain, let's be honest.
Yeah,
Won't complain about that, but Saturday, a drier day, a few more scattered showers Sunday, some more showers and thunderstorms on Monday. Temperatures, though, staying pretty pleasant through the week ahead, 70s for highs and 50s for overnight lows.
All right.
Now, how does hail form? Melting snowflakes refreezing, raindrops freezing together, or atmospheric moisture freezing?
I had kind of a laugh about C, and I said, no way is it C. So if it turns out to be C, I'm going to be upset. I really believe it's B.
Are you sure?
Don't do that to me.
You're right.
Okay. I'm like, it's going to be C.
I'm feeling mean on a Monday. Yes, the raindrops freezing together.
All right, thank you. I'm glad it wasn't C. We're starting our 2-week celebration of Route 66 ahead of the kickoff celebration. Our very own He's steady.
Yeah, not too bad. Low to mid 70s most afternoons this week, including tomorrow. Watching some storms Thursday night into Friday morning closely. Some of them could be severe, but yeah, 70s through the week ahead, 50s most mornings.